How to convert physical SIM to an eSIM with Lyca Mobile. Check your compatibility. Ensure your device supports eSIM functionality and is compatible with Lyca Mobile's eSIM service. Contact Lyca Mobile. Reach out to Lyca Mobile customer support either through their website, app, or by calling them. They will provide you with instructions on how to convert your physical SIM to an eSIM. Verification and activation. You may need to provide some identification or verification information to Lyca Mobile to complete the conversion process. Once verified, they will activate the eSIM for you. Download eSIM profile. Lyca Mobile will send you an eSIM profile via email or SMS. Follow the instructions provided to download and install the eSIM profile onto your device. Activate eSIM. Once the SIM profile is installed, follow any additional instructions provided by Lyca Mobile to activate the eSIM on your device. Test and troubleshoot. After activation, test your eSIM to ensure it's working properly. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Lyca Mobile customer support for further assistance. Remember to back up any data stored on your physical SIM before converting to eSIM, as the process may involve deactivating the physical SIM. Thanks for watching.